Good day, everyone. I'm Elizabeth Escora from Best Ed Science 4B. Watching Carmelone Montesido sing Pagsubok reminds me that every trial we face is a chance to show what we're made of. I want to share something that shaped who I am today. When I was the youngest in my family, my mom passed away. It felt like the ground just disappeared under my feet. Everything I knew, every source of comfort and guidance was gone in an instant. I saw how hard it hit my dad and older siblings too. We were all struggling to keep things together, and there were days I wanted to just give up and let others carry me through. But then I realized that mom wouldn't have wanted that. She always taught us to be kind, to take care of each other, and to do what's right even when it's hard. That's when I found my moral courage. Instead of letting grief break me, I decided to step up. I started helping with household chores and even took on extra responsibilities at school to make sure I didn't fall behind. I became a moral agent in our little family, not by doing big and grand things, but by choosing integrity every single day. When my siblings fought, I'd be the one to remind them we needed to support each other. I learned that being a person of character isn't just about following rules. It's about using your real power to lift up those around you, even when life pushes you down. That's all. Thank you.